The all-new all-electric Fisker Ocean is getting closer to delivery, and today, we're learning more about when American customers can expect their new SUVs. An email from the company both confirms that we can expect global deliveries to begin next month, but that production of US-bound units will ramp up between May and June of this year. The Fisker Ocean is very close to getting full-scale regulatory approval from a number of nations. Early this month we confirmed that it received certification in Europe for a range of 440 miles, 707 kilometers, based on WLTP testing protocols. In the USA, we expect it to ship with a maximum of 350 miles, 563 kilometers, of range according to the EPA. What we're learning now is that previous estimates about when Fisker would ramp production of the US model are no longer accurate. In the past, it said it would begin that ramp-up in early May. Now, a new email obtained by FiskerATI.com shows a new timeline that is estimated to start between late May and June. It's certainly plausible that the brand is simply waiting for some sort of approval to come down before it begins to work on the US-bound cars. Early this month Henrik Fisker specifically mentioned wanting to avoid the cost of vehicle storage until approvals arrive. With its new much larger window, Fisker could do exactly that. For all we know, it might still begin that ramp-up early next month if it is indeed waiting on approval that ends up coming sooner rather than later. At the same time, it says that it'll make its first deliveries in Europe on May 5th. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new publications.